Hi, this is Grace. Today we're going to make crab cake. I'm using Maryland crab meat. You can use other crab meat, but it won't be the same. For binding, you can use Panko, Saltine crackers, or Ritz. Break the crab meat gently to mix with Panko. In a separate bowl, add a quarter cup of mayo, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. And of course, Old Bay seasoning. If you're using saltine crackers, use less. Gently mix together. Pour onto the crab meat and panko and mix well. Optionally, add some cilantro or parsley. Cover and rest in the fridge for 1 hour. 1 hour later, the mixture should feel sticky, and you can use your hand to form a ball or cake. I usually divide to 6 cakes, but you can also make mini cakes. Heat oil on a 12-inch cast iron pan and add the cakes when it's hot. Because we're using minimal binding in this recipe, sometimes the ball will feel a little loose. Cut 1 tablespoon of butter and divide to 6 pieces. After about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat, add the butter on top of the crab cakes. Broil for about 5 minutes. Take the crab cakes out as soon as the top turns brown. It's better to enjoy immediately, but you can also store in the fridge for up to 3 days.